Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Jaipur, specializing in providing high-quality building information modeling (BIM) services. With a team of experienced professionals and state-of-the-art technology, the company offers comprehensive BIM solutions to clients in the architectural, engineering, and construction industries. As a BIM company in Jaipur, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is committed to delivering innovative and efficient solutions that streamline the design and construction processes. One of the key services provided by Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd as a BIM company in Jaipur is BIM modeling. The company employs advanced software and techniques to create accurate and detailed 3D models of buildings and infrastructure projects. These models not only help in visualizing the project, but also enable effective collaboration among various stakeholders. By incorporating all relevant data into the model, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd ensures that the design is optimized for construction, reducing errors and rework. With their expertise in BIM modeling, the company ensures that clients receive accurate and reliable models that facilitate efficient project execution. Another important service offered by Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd as a BIM company in Jaipur is clash detection. Using advanced software, the company identifies clashes or conflicts between different building elements such as pipes, ducts, and structural components. By detecting these clashes early in the design phase, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd helps in avoiding costly rework and delays during construction. Through clash detection, the company ensures that all building systems are properly coordinated and integrated, enhancing the overall efficiency of the project. In addition to BIM modeling and clash detection, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd also provides services such as quantity takeoff and cost estimation. By leveraging the information embedded in the BIM model, the company accurately calculates material quantities and generates detailed cost estimates. This helps clients in better project planning and budgeting, ensuring that there are no surprises during construction. With their expertise in quantity takeoff and cost estimation, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd enables clients to make informed decisions and optimize their resources. As a BIM company in Jaipur, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is dedicated to delivering exceptional services that meet the unique needs of each client. Whether it is an architectural design or a construction project, the company leverages its expertise in BIM to provide efficient solutions that enhance productivity and minimize risks. With their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd has established